Last episode, we talked about baseline, about how chaos can become normal, about how your nervous system decides what feels safe long before you're aware it's deciding. Now we're going one layer deeper, because if chaos shaped your baseline, then familiarity is not always a good sign. I'm your host, Heather, and this is Dysfunctional Dynamics. Most people believe chemistry is a spark, an instant pull, a strong connection, intensity, but intensity is not the same as safety. Sometimes intensity is recognition, your nervous system recognizing a pattern it has practiced before. If unpredictability was familiar, consistency can feel flat. If emotional highs and lows were common, stability can feel boring. If you had to earn attention, effort can feel attractive. Not because it's healthy, because it matches your imprint. Your body does not evaluate partners based on logic first. It evaluates based on familiarity. Does this dynamic resemble something I know? Does this emotional rhythm feel recognizable? If the answer is yes, your system relaxes, even if the pattern is unhealthy. That's the part people struggle with. You can consciously want peace and subconsciously choose chaos. You can say you value stability and still feel drawn to volatility. That contradiction isn't hypocrisy, it's conditioning. Think about the beginning of relationships that felt magnetic. Was there uncertainty, mixed signals, emotional intensity early on, a sense of needing to decode the other person? For someone conditioned in unpredictability, that doesn't feel alarming. It feels engaging, familiar, alive. Now think about someone consistent, clear communication, stable mood, predictable follow-through. Notice your body's response. Does it feel calm? Or does it feel understimulating, maybe even slightly uncomfortable? When chaos is baseline, calm doesn't register as chemistry. It registers as absence, and the nervous system interprets absence as disinterest. This is how toxic can feel familiar, not because you want dysfunction, because your system equates familiarity with safety, even when familiarity hurt you. And this is why awareness matters. Without it, you will keep labeling recognition as connection. You will keep calling anxiety spark. You will keep mistaking activation for compatibility. The goal is not to shame your past choices. The goal is to understand the mechanism. When you understand the mechanism, you can interrupt it. When you interrupt it, you create space for something new to feel safe. At first, healthy may feel neutral. Not euphoric, not dramatic, just steady. Your nervous system may interpret that as lack. Give it time. Safety often feels quiet, and quiet can be misread when you were raised in noise. If this resonates, don't rush to fix anything, just observe. Notice what your body labels exciting. Notice what it labels boring. Notice what it labels safe. Observation creates separation. Separation creates choice. Next, we're going to look at why you may feel responsible for managing other people's emotions, and how that role was likely assigned long before you realized you accepted it. Stay with this. We're dismantling it layer by layer.